Girl Felicia, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a big thumbs up. Comment, share, all that good stuff. And if you are back to my channel, guys, thank you so much. Today's video is literally going to be about this fall look I am serving you here, okay? This is literally like an everyday look, but it just got a little bit of fall twist to it. I love fall. Fall is one of the best times of the year because the weather is starting to cool down. We're getting closer to Christmas, and which means we are also getting closer to a new year, which means new goals, new accomplishments, all that good stuff. If you are interested in learning my fall favorites and also learning how to do this quick and easy fall look, go ahead and stay tuned. Okay, so you guys will be super happy to see that I pretty much have completed my face. All I will be showing you guys is what I do for my eyeshadow. I'm gonna be working out of my Ring the Alarm palette. You guys cannot tell me this shit is not fall. Like, look at these colors. Each one of these colors screams fall. So why would I not use it? Okay, I actually need to prime my eyes just a little bit because I haven't placed anything on my eyes and I can kind of see that it's creasing already. And I'm gonna take my Huda Beauty setting powder and kind of just, you know, set that a little bit. So when I go down and put the eyeshadow, it'll be blending nice and smoothly. Okay guys, so one of the things that I really love about fall is like pumpkin spice. And I know like a lot of people low-key hate pumpkin spice. Like, pumpkin spice is just one of those fall flavors and scents that you cannot, it's an acquired taste. Like, for me, I love that cookie smell. I love that baking smell. So a pumpkin spice candle is everything in this household. Like, I saw an ad for pumpkin spice Spam, bro. Like, Spam pumpkin spice. I think they're tripping, but I'm pretty sure somebody's gonna try it. And I wanted to show you guys some earrings that I made. Oh my God, I'm actually coming out to you guys about it. I'm so annoying. But okay, so I have my own jewelry shop and I make handmade accessories and earrings, and I sew things and just all the cuteness that you can imagine. And these are one of my pieces, and I will zoom in for you guys so you guys can see. These are handmade and they're perfect for the fall, and you can see they're like little sliced pies, guys, and I hand make these from polymer clay. Who doesn't like cuteness? And who doesn't like food? And who doesn't like jewelry? Like, come on now. If you are interested in owning a pair of these pumpkin pie earrings, the link will be in the description box, and it's coming from your girl, all right? These hands. All right, so I'm gonna jump into the Jaclyn Hill palette, as I keep saying, and I never have. And sorry guys, but I'm like, I have to dust off. I'm like sweating balls. All right, so I'm gonna jump into Alert. Go ahead and place that inside my eyelid. All right, so the next thing, honestly, that I'm feeling right now for the fall is like cozy socks. Like, that's my shit. Cozy socks and sweaters, like, even during the summertime, I have on like a hoodie or a sweater. Like that's just my comfort zone. So now you're giving me a legit reason to wear a hoodie. I'm gonna wear a hoodie any chance I can get. Cozy socks, I have like a collection of cozy socks. That is definitely another reason why I love fall. So Halloween is coming up. So that's always a fun little holiday to celebrate during the fall. This year, my son, all right, pause. I'm gonna jump into, I know y'all hate me because I don't never be knowing what the fuck I'm doing. All right, I'm gonna jump into mugshot and place that on the outside of my eyelid. So this year, my son wants to be a mummy for Halloween, and I'm just like, yo, I love you. You are saving us money. All I gotta do is take a roll of tissue and literally wrap his ass in some tissue, and we got us a mummy. Okay, son, you are going to be a mummy. I gotta check Amazon to see if they have an actual mummy costume, because I'm not gonna put my son in toilet tissue. I'm not gonna do that. We can get a costume. So now we're gonna take Siren, and I'm gonna play Siren in like right there. I can't even describe what part of the island that is, like right on the outer cusp. So I'm gonna play Siren there. And this is a simple fall look. It's taking me a lot longer just because I'm yapping my gums, and then we're gonna kind of like wing that out just a little bit. So I saw Joker, and I don't want to turn this into like review or anything like that, but since we are just on the subject of Halloween and fall, like, I just want to let y'all know that I saw the movie and I didn't really like it. I don't know, I think I've been like programmed to think that Joker isn't vulnerable or he doesn't have any like feelings, and this one showed Joker in that aspect of being very vulnerable and just like his past with just dealing with people and mental health. I hope this is not a spoiler for anybody that didn't see it yet. But yeah, I just, you know, it was an alright movie, but I just felt like that's not the portrayal that I wanted to see Joker in. I wanted to see him badass, top dog, like, you know, how we've always seen Joker. But this one was a little bit different, and maybe it'll age on me, you know, later down the line, maybe 4, 5, 6 years from now, but I appreciate it more. But I don't know, I wasn't really feeling it, but it was cool. It was cool. Now let's see which color I'm gonna do on camera, since we on camera already. And I'm gonna place that right in the inner part of my eyelid. So I'm gonna fix up this eyeshadow that I went ahead and pulled out. I'm gonna try to straighten it a little bit more with my setting powder, just so it'll be a cleaner line. So we are approaching a new year. October is almost done. Then we have Thanksgiving, Christmas, and obviously 2020. Like, oh my God. So I'm just excited for the new year. I wanna see what it's gonna bring to me and my family. I already have big dreams, big hopes that, you know, everything that I want to accomplish is gonna get done. 2019 was definitely that step in, you know, that next step that I put in my, you know, business and in myself, honestly, in my brand. And I feel like this is just the beginning for me, obviously. Like, I highly, highly recommend everybody to set goals, write them down, accomplish them, do whatever you need to do to make your dreams come true. We only live one life, and that should be enough evidence to let you know that life is too short, and that whatever you have your mind set out to do because your passion is there, you should definitely try to accomplish it. Did my winged eyeliner, which was not intended because I wanted a look that didn't require winged eyeliner, but I'm not really like 100% sold on the look that I'm showing you guys, but nonetheless, this is how makeup goes. So I'm still going to continue, because even on your not so good makeup day, you still gotta act like it is, you know, everything was placed the way it's supposed to be placed. And that will be placed up here, so you guys can go ahead and click on that if you want to know how to do my eyeliner. I also put on some falsies, which I never do on camera, and I say this all the time, is because I'm literally like this in the mirror. Like, I do not put falsies on easily. I see some girls, they're just like doing it with their hands. I'm like, no, I need the little tweezers and I need silence. Okay, so falsies are on. I believe these are Ardell Natural Wispies. So I'm gonna jump into highlighter. Right now I have Physicians Formula Nude Wear, and I bought this a long time ago. And I tried it once and I was like, ew, why the hell did I buy this? And then I tried it again like maybe last month. And I was like, okay, all right, Physicians Formula. I didn't, you know, drugstore makeup be coming through sometimes too. So yeah, I went ahead and did that. And I was like, why didn't I see that the first time? And I have no idea. Maybe I was just like not in the mood that day. And I was like, fuck this shit. I'm gonna place some on my cheekbones as well. And this one comes with 4 colors. As you can see, it has pink, like a really bright highlight right there, brownish and a tan. And all of that together is supposed to give you tip of my nose. Okay, so yuck. Alright, so for lipstick, I didn't really know what lipstick I wanted to go with. I'm gonna line my lips with a darker, a dark brown, but I'm gonna do it like ever so gently because I don't like it to be prominent. I just like it to be like gently outlined, and I like to kind of smooth it out. This is CB10, I think, by MAC. And I'm gonna just gently dab that. Okay, folks. I was just looking like inside my lower lid. I want to put something there. I think I'm going to place a camera there. Maybe I can put on camera there to see how that looks. Too bad. Maybe I can rock with it for fall. Yeah, guys, so this is almost a completed look. I mean, I'm gonna spray some setting spray just to make sure that it's nice and adhered, but I do want to take my earrings off before I do that. So much for watching this video. Like I said, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I will see you next time.